This is free. This is worldwide, and this is very simple to do. Now, in this video, I will show you how you can make $10 and complete autopilot over and over again. So you should stay tuned all the way to the end because I will show you a bonus strategy and a bonus website where you can earn more money. This has nothing to do with building an email list, CPA marketing, and you don't need a following for this. This is 100% free and 100% beginner friendly. But before we start, this is Finance Babe. I'll teach you tips and tricks on how to make money online. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click the notification bell. And if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. This strategy is going to be very amazing, but since we'll be using a brand new website and since nobody has ever made a strategy like this, you need to stay tuned to the end of the video so you won't miss any important details. The first website that will be used is called Bonfire.com. This website allows you to upload designs and create simple designs within seconds, which I'm about to show you as well. And then you'll be able to sell those designs as t-shirts, mugs, and other stuff to other people. This website is absolutely free. You don't have to pay for anything at all. So now that we're here on the website, I want you to click this button on the upper right-hand corner of your screen and click Get Started. You can either log in with your Facebook or Google account, or you can also create a new account by filling in all the details right here. So let me just log in here. You would want to click on Campaigns, then click on to a new campaign. And it's going to take you over to this page right here where you can design your own t-shirt. You can customize the color you prefer right here. Just click this and select the color you desire. I'm going to pick black for now. This is fully customizable and you can even upload your own artwork by clicking this button right here. Now, if you want to create your own design and you do not know how to use Photoshop or any other photo editing software which needs experience, I'll show you a website where you can easily make one. You can go to photopea.com. It's like an online Photoshop. It's free and you can use it in editing your own design. You can also use canva.com, which is really easy. If you don't want to do that, then let's go to another alternative. You need to pick a community. So it can be a vegan community, sports, or other communities which you can target. For this video, I'll be using the vegan community, but of course you can use others like pet lovers, cat lovers, dog lovers, or whatever you want. Now, what I'll be doing next is I'm going to add text by clicking this here. Now, let me try writing proud to be a, and then let me change the font of this one. You can choose whatever you like. It all depends on what you feel. Now I can click on this, find a graphic, and then you can also search and use anything that you like. Now let me search for vegan so that the results will come out. There are hundreds of results here, so you can pick whatever you like. Now let me use this. This is a good sticker as a representation of a vegan. Let me just resize it so it'll look good on the t-shirt. Then I will once again add text and write vegan. This to me looks pretty decent already, but you can always do your own design. When you're done with your design, you could go ahead and click on this next button right here. There are two options. You can either buy this shirt or you can sell this shirt. We want to do this 100% free and we are aiming to make money. This website will do everything for you. They will sell the printed t-shirt and even ship it for you as well. All we have to do is create a design and drive traffic in a specific way. Don't worry too much because I will be showing you how to do it. Now let's click on Start Selling and let the page save your design. So they will be asking how many t-shirts you plan to sell. As of now, we don't know yet, so let me just try and put in 50. Now, if we sell shirts, our estimated profit would be about this, and by dragging this bar right here, you'll be able to see how big or small your profit will be. If you manage to sell your shirts for this campaign alone, for example, the price of this shirt is this, then our profit will be this amount. So after you set all of this, click on Next and let it load. You can now change everything here. Let's set the batch length to 15 because that is the standard number of days. Then you can select the category here below. On shipping options, you can ship it directly to your buyers because that is the most popular way. Then also check this box here to allow potential buyers to find it on Bonfire. On shipping options, you can ship it directly to your buyers because that is the most popular way. Then also check this box right here to allow potential buyers to find it on Bonfire. If you're enjoying the video, don't forget to subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Once you do that, this is how your sales page will look like. Just click here to add your title. Let me type in "Proud to be a vegan" shirt. You can be creative as much as you can. I'm doing this very simply so I can show you where you can drive your traffic, and so you'll know what to do with this method. Then right here, you might be asking what you should put. You can write what a percentage of profit will go to an organization or charities for vegans or whatever. So now all you have to do is go to Google and look for the vegan organizations or charities that help vegans or whatever category you choose. Then, every time you make a sale, you should donate that percentage to the charity. So after all of that, if you're okay, go ahead and click Launch. Then you'll be able to grab your shirt URL. Check all these boxes right here and then click Confirm and launch and copy your URL. Now it's about time we show you the bonus strategy to drive traffic to your shirt. Now click Continue, then skip for now. Let's go to the traffic source. The first traffic source is going to be Google. So you want to go to Google and search in the community you're in, as well as the category you're in. For example, I chose vegan, so I'll be searching for a vegan forum. There are millions of results as you can see. Now what I'd recommend you to do is join as many forums as you can and start sharing your designs. You can also create a bond with them and then share that this website is selling nice shirts, and a percentage will go to a charity, and that a lot of vegans can help each other. So this is a very nice opportunity for all of us. Once they click on your shirt and buy, you get your profit. You just have to always refresh the page because your shirt will expire in 15 days. So tell them that it's up and on for a limited time only. You can always recreate the design and sell it again after it expires. Then you'll be making a passive income just because of those forums. So if you don't want to build a following but make money, you can join as many forums as you can. You can also use Facebook and search pages or groups about the community that you're in. Join as many as you can, and just like the forums, make a connection with the people and tell them about the charity and shirt. And that's it for today's video. I hope you learned something. Give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you when I see you.